The Story of Santa's Birds by Kyle and Cheryl Koning. Illustrated by Fanny Leem. Long before winter's snows, someone is watching, and someone knows. But it is not a man who drives a sleigh. Someone else is watching every day. In olden days, while making toys, Santa could watch the girls and boys. He saw them playing, he saw them run. He saw them laughing and having fun. But towns became cities and buildings grew tall. How could Santa see them all? Who is naughty? Who is nice? I can't check once, let alone twice. I need some help to check my list. Someone who can never miss. Who can watch them all year round? Who can float above the ground? Who can see them play together? Perhaps I can ask someone with feathers? The birds can help, Santa cried. They can watch while they fly. I need your help, he said to the flock, to watch the kiddies all round the clock, to look for mischief and to look for trouble, and to report what you see on the double. Robin and Jay said, we'll watch in the spring. I'll help too, tweeted Finch. I won't miss a thing. Summer's our season, said Gull with a screech. Sandpiper and I will watch from the beach. We'll take autumn, croaked Raven and Crow. Winter for me, sang Cardinal. I love the snow. For farms and fields you can count on me, Pheasant cried. And Parakeet chirped, I'd like to help too, and watch from inside. We pigeons can cover the city and park. But who can we get to spy after dark? I know, said Santa. I'll ask old Mrs. Owl. She can keep an eye out whilst on the prowl. I thank you, birds, for your help to see. How can I reward you for spying for me? All your children can help us, cooed the peaceful dove. Ask them to give us the seeds that we love. Or a tiny apartment, suggested the wren, with an outdoor bath in a lovely garden. It's settled, said Santa, with his eyes agleam. Welcome, all birds, to my behaviour team. And his birds flew off to watch and to spy on all of the children they could see from the sky. Those same birds are watching to see if you're good. So remember to always do as you should. Stay out of trouble and don't be a pest, because they see you from trees, from inside of their nest. They're on rooftops, they're on the ledge, they're on the fence and they're on the hedge. They tell Santa what they discover, so follow the rules and be good to each other. Remember this story and mind these words, for they're outside watching. They are Santa's birds.